Step into your sanctuary at Bright House, nestled in the heart of vibrant Kingston upon Thames, where comfort meets charm at every corner. Discover a selection of stylish ensuites, each boasting a plush bed, a dedicated workspace, and ample storage to keep your space effortlessly organized. Enjoy convenient amenities like an on-site laundry room and lightning-fast Wi-Fi, ensuring you stay connected with ease. Whip up culinary delights in the communal kitchen and unwind with your favorite shows on the communal TV. Enjoy the added perk of utility bills included in your rent, making budgeting a breeze. Perfectly situated within a leisurely stroll from Kingston University and Kingston School of Art Mids Park, Bright House makes your academic commute a seamless experience. Start your days with a leisurely visit to Ginger Bee's Cafe or Bee & Berry Coffee Company for a freshly brewed cuppa. When evening falls, indulge in delicious dining options at nearby gems like Al Forno Restaurant and Little Hunan, both just a short stroll away. With convenient transport links nearby, exploring Kingston and beyond is a breeze. Don't wait. Dive into the vibrant lifestyle of Kingston upon Thames today. Book your ideal stay at Bright House today at amberstudent.com.